Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Today's video is the month of October Boxy charm. It's the subscription box that I've been getting every month. I've been enjoying it so far. I know that I always get an eyeshadow palette, so I just set my base and I will be doing my eyeshadow with this palette that I got. I know I got a palette. I've been getting them in every box. So this looks fun. It has treats all over it. It looks very Halloween. I love the aesthetic of it, like the bloody handprint. It's all creepy and the candy. Speaking of candy, I went and got some chocolates from the store, like a bag of chocolate, the variety pack. So tasty. I got the white chocolate bag. Most people don't go towards that one. I'm one of them, the very few. Let me know if you like white chocolate as well. It's good. So the first thing I got out of my box that caught my eye is this super cute packaging. I know this is a palette. I've never heard of this brand. It's the Editor palette. So let's take a look. Ooh, pretty. It reminds me of like vacation, you know, the leaves and whatnot. I want to go on vacation if you couldn't tell. So pretty. Let's see. Oh, there goes. Ooh, these are so pretty. Look at these shades. Oh, I think I'm gonna just dig into this and throw something on my face because I feel very naked right now without my eyeshadow. So this palette retails for $32. Wow, what a steal. And I only paid $20 for this box, so I'm pleased already. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a big blending brush, like about this size. I love my blending brushes. And I'm gonna go into this shade up here. It's like a really pretty cream. And I'm just gonna lay that on my base. But yeah, it feels so nice to do my makeup again. I did my makeup yesterday. I did a Halloween look. Not sure how I felt about the video. I thought it was kind of boring, but that's just my opinion. I may or may not be posting it. I don't know. Just depends. I thought it was boring, but I just didn't have much to say in it. You know what I mean? But everyone has their days, right? Okay, so I'm wearing a shirt that has purple on it. Maybe I should do like a purpley look. So I'm going to dip into this dark shade right here. It's like a really deep purple. And it almost looks like a burgundy. No, like a brown. You know what I mean? Just really pretty. So I'm just going to lay that. Huh. It's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. But we'll work with it. So yeah, I've been playing Fall Guys lately in my free time. I love that video game so much. I really want to, how do you say, game live, if that's what it's called. Yeah, I want to do that. So Jonah, while you're editing my video, we should do that. Help me out. But today is a really pretty gloomy day again, so we plan on going to Olive Garden today for dinner, which I am very looking forward to. I've been craving Olive Garden lately. I love their breadsticks. I love the fondue dip that you stick the bread in. So I'm gonna definitely be getting that when we go there. Oh my goodness, and chicken gnocchi soup is my favorite as well. I didn't mention it, but I got a new backdrop. It's very nice. It's relaxing. It's nothing like too bright. It's just comforting. It's just so cozy in my beauty room now with this backdrop. It's just homey. Obviously, like in the background there is my little kitty. It looks just like Muta. And there's candles and crystals or feathers. I don't know what those are, but I like it. And then like the moon phase, there's plants. It's just like a window behind me, just all kinds of home decor on there, since I don't have actual home decor other than that shelf over there. But yeah, I got it from a store called Earthbound. It's in our local mall. It just caught my eye and I was like, I have to get it. Making sure my eyes are even looking. I don't want one eye to look all crazy and then the other one not. Okay, very pretty. It's very blendable, nothing blotchy, which I like. And it's buildable, you know what I mean? Like when I thought it wasn't as pigmented, but you can easily build up with it, which I love. It's so pretty. And I'm just blending upwards with it. You can tell. Super pretty. I love it. And with a smaller brush, I'm going to do my under eye with the same shade. This deep purple. So nice. And I'm only going to go halfway underneath my eye just to give it some dimension. Nothing too crazy. And then, looking at this palette, I need to go in with a lighter shade. So I'm thinking I will dip into, possibly this shade right here. Is so pretty. It's next to the gold. And I'm just going to put that in this area. Just to brighten it up a bit. So pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so shimmery. And it like, whenever you apply it to your skin, it's just as shimmery as it looks in the palette. So that's a good thing. Love that. Just like brighten it up a bit. Mix that in there. It's so pretty. And then with a smaller brush, again, I think I want to use this shade right here. It's another shimmery shade. You can see my husband's bike in the background, but it's really light. And I want to brighten up in my inner eye down here, just because I like that open eye look. I do have smaller eyes, so I try to make them seem bigger when I do my makeup. Like looking in my mirror, trying to see. The lighting is kind of crazy right now just because it's gloomy out, so not the best lighting, but we'll work with it. We'll do our best. And then with the inner corner, like right in here, I'm gonna grab a little dainty brush and I'm gonna dip into this gold because it just looks so pretty. This right here. Ooh. Love it. So pretty. And I'm gonna put it right in my corner. And put some more. Yes, this is so beautiful. I love this palette. I think my video didn't go so well yesterday because the makeup that I decided to buy was just not cooperating with my skin yesterday. I was just like, oh my gosh, this is not working out. There was a lot of fallout. I was just like, oh, give me a break. It was like black shadow and everything. So I was like, no, it was off to a rough start. But yeah, that was my day yesterday. Today's much better though. I actually went to get a pedicure yesterday with my Halloween look, and I definitely got some compliments, so I didn't feel so crazy going out with like a really blonde wig and you know, a little star on my cheek and just like, you know, dramatic makeup. So that was fun. Alright, so that is my makeup look. I don't know if you can tell. Please zoom in, Jonah, so I can see. It's really nice. The lighting looks crazy. Let's see. If I could just turn it down a bit, maybe. Can you tell? Can you tell? So pretty. I like it. The lighting is driving me nuts, but I did the best I could. That's what it looks like. It's so pretty. That was this palette. I used a couple shades in here. I used 1, 2, 3, 4. I used 5 shades. This was a good palette. Definitely keeping this one. So nice. Putting it right in my drawer. So yeah. Now I need to finish my makeup. I'm gonna add some liquid liner. I wonder if I should risk it and use this new Hard Candy liquid eyeliner. I wonder if I got any eyeliner in here. What the heck is up with my camera? Okay, so I went ahead and I just completed my makeup look because I just didn't want to bore you guys with putting my lashes on and, you know, putting myself together. And my liquid liner, sometimes that takes a minute. So moving on, I forget what I was talking about, but next in the Boxy charm is this Ultimate Glow Getter. It's a cheek trio. Let's open it up. The packaging is pretty cute. It's like a marble look to it. Nice. Let's take this out. Ooh, even the palette itself is marble. Look at that. Look how cool. And in the back, marble. So pretty. It looks like my skincare tray. It's like this. It looks like this marble pattern. Anyway, so we have 3 shades in this. It's Blessed, Goddess, Incredible. So these are what they look like. Ooh, pretty. We got a pink moment, we got a highlight, and we got a bronzer. That's so nice. I wish I would have known that. I would have put it on my face. But I think I'll put a little bit of this blush. It's because it's very light. Ooh, look at that. That's just from taking it. Look at that. It's everywhere. I'll put some on there just to brighten up my cheeks. Beautiful. I like this. It goes well with my skin tone, which I am glad about. Pretty. I like it. And yeah. Maybe I should try a little bit more bronzer, but I don't know. I don't want to go too crazy on my powders. My makeup is like, oh, it's okay. And then next in my box is this. Oh, I didn't say how much the cheek trio was. It's $28 for this trio. I need to get my life together. Okay. Next in my box is this body wash buffer. And directions: place sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage, and circular motion to cleanse skin. Cool. Let's open this up. This retails for $20. Wow, $20 for a buffer? This smells really nice. I guess it's cherry tonka musk. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, spongy. I can't wait to use this. Ooh. It smells really nice. Very calming smell. Okay, this is next in my box. I got an eye mask, tightening and resplendence. Okay, never heard of this. It's Symbiosis London. This is what it looks like, and this retails for $93. $93 for this little tube? What? Really? Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, allow to absorb into a delicate skin around the eye area. No need to wash it off. I'll be using this tonight. I need a skincare night. Like, I want to soak in my Lush bath bomb. I want to do my mask. Yeah, that's what it's going to be tonight after I pig out at Olive Garden and get all the goodies. Next, I used this already. I really like it. It's Tarte. It's a setting spray. I like the packaging. It reminds me of another setting spray I have, and it's by the brand Flower. Seal the Deal. Look at this. Look how similar they are. Purple and white. It's like a lavender. That's so weird, isn't it? But this retails for, I'm gonna put that on my skincare tray. Setting spray, $23. Isn't bad, because I paid $20. I'm impressed with this BoxyCharm, honestly. Like, I got some good products. I'm gonna set my face. And that is it. So, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Bye!